Hi folks, I'd like to show you how to do a side load. Why? Well, you see, when you have an app for Windows 10, 8 or 10, you will be able to install software from the store. When installing from the store, you have software that's been checked by Microsoft very thoroughly, and it's very safe to use it. But when a developer needs somebody else to test the software before it's put up on the store, he needs to install it by some other mean. And that is called a side load. And I will show you how to do this. First of all, you will have to get the software. In this case, I have prepared the software for a certain group of users, and I've told them where to download it. And there you can find, in this case, link to download the software. It's a zip file, so we just click it and select to save it somewhere. I prefer the desktop because this is very temporary. Save it on the desktop and wait for it to download. Now we're done with the browser. We can see that we have received the zip file. Right-click the zip file and extract the files to a folder on the desktop. I use 7-zip, but you can use any software you like better maybe. And then you get a subfolder another folder on the desktop. It's called app packages in this case. You right-click it. No, you open it, and you will find that it contains file and a subfolder. It's not the file you should use. You should open the subfolder and look for a file that's called something ending in .ps1, period ps1. Right-click that file and select Run with PowerShell. Now I'm going to demonstrate a bit of the security Microsoft has put into Windows, because this will not work right now. Error, it says, could not acquire a developer license. Press enter to continue, and it conveniently popped up a Windows for developers. This is in the settings. I will show you how to open that window. Anyway, it fails because your computer is quite safe. Let's see how to get around this. Go to all settings. Find a setting, you will find update and security. And in update and security you will find for developers. This is the page that automatically popped up a moment ago. This is how software is installed only from store apps. Microsoft Store apps are installed only on my computer right now. In order to sideload apps, I will have to go. It says that I should be able to go to sideload. Now I get a warning here to sideload apps, what I'm going to demonstrate. And it asks, are you sure you want to do this? Installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. Should we turn on sideloading? Yes, we'll do that. In fact, when you install an app like this, the developer can put in anything in the code, in the program, malicious software as such. So you will only do this if this is a person that you trust, or at least you can get to. In this case, you can always do domain lookup and find me, because it was my site we downloaded from. So I will not be able to get away if I put something bad into your computer. Now let's try this. We'll leave it like that and try to install again. Open the folder, open the subfolder, right click and select Run with PowerShell. No, it couldn't acquire a developer license. Probably I didn't put a license into the program. Okay, how to get around that? Okay, I didn't want to open the browser. Um, well, it's quite easy. Developer mode. Yes, turning on the developer mode on my computer makes it possible for other people to use my computer, but it's not that dangerous as they say, because I will not let anybody else sit by my computer and do things, and I will turn this off when I've downloaded the program I want. Let's try it again. Run with PowerShell. Now it's installing. You will see here a ASCII progress bar. Oh, yes. Problem again. It's good it shows so you know what it is. The app is already installed on this computer. That is not allowed. So, once again it failed. I will have to find the app. I have it here. Right click and uninstall it. Yes, I want to uninstall it. And then again run with PowerShell. You'll see the same. And it installs with this progress bar, and this time it doesn't fail. Success. Your app was successfully installed. Press enter to continue. So I press enter, and I do not forget to reset the settings to the safest mode. And I can also close those windows and delete those files because I don't need them anymore. If there's any updates coming in, it's the same procedure again. Now let's just try it. Roland integration random set generator. Okay, it's a specific program for people using a specific synthesizer, and it's a random generator to select different sounds. A very simple app. In this case, this synthesizer has different modules and stuff. We won't go into that, but we'll just try to see if it can play some drums for us. Select something in random and play some drums. And it does. If you can hear that in the background. Thank you. Goodbye.